Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to turn on Data Saver in Instagram application. So how to turn on Data Saver in Instagram application? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, open the Instagram app on your Android device. This is the initial screen of the Instagram app. Next, tap the three-line icon at the top right of the screen. And a menu like this will appear. Scroll down. Tap Data Usage and Media Quality. Tap Data Saver. So that's it, tutorial how to turn on Data Saver in Instagram application. Thank you for watching. I hope this video was helpful. See you in the next video.